Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P0848 indicates a fault in the transmission fluid pressure switch B, third clutch circuit. This switch helps monitor fluid pressure in the transmission, playing an essential role in gear shifting. When this error code triggers, the vehicle defaults to a fail-safe mode, restricting shifts to only third through fifth gear. The Powertrain Control Module (PCM) identifies this issue, and it may result in drivability concerns. The switch is typically located near the transmission in the Honda Pilot, often near the third clutch assembly. To effectively troubleshoot this code, it is vital to follow established diagnostic procedures to isolate the failure area. The transmission fluid pressure switch B is a crucial component responsible for monitoring the pressure of the transmission fluid. Located near the third clutch assembly, this switch detects variations in fluid pressure, allowing the PCM to manage shifting effectively. If the switch fails or the circuit malfunctions, it can lead to erroneous readings and result in poor transmission performance. Specifically, a high circuit signal indicates there may be an issue with the switch or the wiring connected to it. Since this switch directly affects the clutch's operation, malfunctioning can lead the vehicle to shift incorrectly, often defaulting to a limited range of gears. Thus, understanding its role and position is essential in troubleshooting DTC P0848. When addressing DTC P0848, several potential causes must be considered. Firstly, a faulty transmission fluid pressure switch B may result in inaccurate pressure readings. An intermittent electrical connection can also lead to issues with the switch functioning correctly, so checking for poor connections and loose terminals is essential. Additionally, an open circuit in the wiring between the switch and the PCM can create a high circuit signal error. Diagnosing these potential causes in a systematic manner will guide technicians in identifying the precise issue, enabling more effective repairs. Each of these causes directly affects the performance of the transmission, thereby impacting vehicle drivability. Several symptoms can signal the presence of DTC P0848 in the Honda Pilot. One prominent symptom is limited gear shifting, where the vehicle may only shift between third to fifth gears due to the fail-safe mechanism engaged by the PCM. Additionally, drivers may notice unusual behavior from the transmission, such as slipping or jerking, as the vehicle struggles to engage the appropriate gear, leading to a less smooth driving experience. Warning lights on the dashboard may also illuminate, highlighting a malfunction in the transmission system. Recognizing these symptoms early can help in addressing the issue before it leads to more significant transmission problems. It is crucial for technicians to document any observed symptoms during diagnosis, as these observations significantly assist in the repair process. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0848 entails confirming the problem and preparing the vehicle for diagnostics. Start by turning the vehicle to the on position, which supplies power to the components without starting the engine. Post this, utilize the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear any stored DTCs. Following this, raise the vehicle securely and ensure all four wheels can rotate freely for accurate testing. This step is crucial as it sets the stage for checking the functionality of the transmission fluid pressure switch, while also safely allowing the technician to proceed with checks under the vehicle. Allowing the wheels to rotate freely also plays an important role in diagnosing the transmission's behavior under its operational load. In the second troubleshooting step, you will delve deeper into diagnosing the transmission fluid pressure switch B. Begin by switching the vehicle off to ensure safety. Disconnect the connector from the transmission fluid pressure switch B, third clutch, using appropriate tools. After ensuring a secure connection, use a jumper wire to connect terminals A and B. linking the switch to the body ground. Once completed, switch the vehicle back to the on mode and use the Honda diagnostic system to examine the current conditions of the pressure switch. By doing this, you are checking if the switch operates correctly, which allows you to ascertain whether the switch itself is faulty. If the switch is operating within the set parameters, further investigation into wiring or the PCM may be required. The third step involves conducting essential continuity checks to ensure the integrity of the wiring circuits related to the transmission fluid pressure switch B. Again, begin by turning the vehicle off for safety. Remove the jumper wire used in the previous step. Following this, jump the SCS line with the HDS, allowing 1 minute for the system to stabilize. Next, disconnect the PCM connector B51P to enable an accurate continuity test. Check for continuity between test points 1 and 2, ensuring that the circuit between the transmission fluid pressure switch and the PCM is intact. If there is continuity, it confirms the wiring is functional, and you will need to replace the PCM. Should continuity fail, focus on repairing the open circuit in the OP3SW wire. Upon completing repairs for DTC P0848, it is crucial to conduct a final verification to ensure the issue has been resolved effectively. Start by rechecking the diagnostic information using the HDS to confirm that the DTC has been cleared and is absent from the system. A vital step includes conducting a road test to observe the performance of the transmission under real driving conditions. This road test will help to verify that the vehicle shifts through all the gears smoothly and does not revert to the fail-safe mode. If all functions appear normal, it confirms the accuracy of the repairs. It's essential to document this final verification process as it provides accountability and assurance that the necessary repairs were successful. Preventive maintenance plays a critical role in avoiding future DTC P0848 incidences. Regularly checking the transmission fluid levels and condition can prevent issues related to low or contaminated fluid, which directly affects the transmission's performance. Additionally, routinely inspecting connectors and wiring for signs of wear or corrosion can catch potential problems before they escalate. Keeping the PCM software updated is also essential, as manufacturers often release updates that enhance the performance and reliability of the system. By employing these preventive measures, you can ensure that the transmission fluid pressure switch B operates effectively and reduce the likelihood of encountering similar DTCs. In conclusion, addressing DTC P0848 involves a thorough understanding of the transmission fluid pressure switch B and how it interacts with the overall transmission system. This error often results in restricted gear shifts, leading to drivability concerns. Correct diagnostics will focus on evaluating the switch, its connections, and wiring integrity. Once repairs are made, it is vital to verify functionality through testing. Implementing preventive maintenance strategies will help avoid future issues. By understanding the components and systematic approaches to diagnosing this DTC, technicians can effectively address and prevent transmission-related problems, ensuring the vehicle operates as intended. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.